two giants of work management, and one pressing question: which one really delivers? On the left, Asana, promising clarity and flow wherever you work. And on the right, Monday.com, your customizable work OS for anything, anywhere. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what matters. Every category earns points, so by the end, you'll clearly see who stands out in 2025. And trust me, the outcome might just surprise you. Okay, so here's how we're breaking it down. We'll look at pricing, ease of use, integrations, automation and workflow, customization and views, collaboration and communication, security and administration, mobile apps, best for. Basically all the stuff that really matters when you're picking a tool you'll live in every day. Let's get into it. Let's kick it off with pricing. I mean, who doesn't want to save a couple bucks? So, Asana does have a free forever tier, which is honestly super nice if you're just getting started. Their pricing is pretty straightforward, no weird surprises. But, and this is kind of a bummer, those paid plans start a bit higher at $10.99 per user per month. And yeah, most of the cooler features are locked behind those pricier tiers. Monday.com though? Cheaper paid plans right from the jump, starting at $9 per user per month. You get a free option too, and there's way more flexibility in picking a plan. The catch? Some of the spicy features are only in those top-level plans. Plus, automation usage is kinda capped depending on how many seats you have. So, if we're talking straight-up savings and value, Monday.com sneaks ahead. Ease of use. This one's honestly huge. So, Asana's vibe is super minimalist. Really clean UI. You boot it up, it's almost like, wow, can I mess this up? It's pretty much made for beginners. Setup is just a breeze. Downside? You don't get wild with board customization. Now, Monday.com is a little louder. It's highly visual, and hear me out, it's all drag and drop, customizable workflows, different views, widgets, and it just feels slick. The catch is, customizing views can kind of make your head spin at first. Like, how did I end up in the chart view? But if you want to really shape your process, Monday.com is just more flexible. Winner for usability? Monday.com. Integrations. Oh, and here's something cool about Asana. It hooks into over 400 different apps, even if you're on the free tier. Slack, Google Suite, you name it. I mean, talk about playing nice with everyone. Monday.com, over 200 integrations, which honestly is still a ton. You get LinkedIn, HubSpot, and other biggies, but a lot of those extras come with the paid plans only. So for the integration nerds out there, Asana takes this one. Wait, random break. Did you know Monday.com actually started out as Daypulse? Yeah, they only rebranded in 2017. Kinda wild, right? Anyway, back to the showdown. Automation and workflow time. Asana sets you up with straightforward, rule-based automations, and you can go deep, as long as you pay for a higher plan, where you get like 25,000 automations a month. Yeah, that's a lot. The big letdown? You're capped by your plan tier. Monday.com, though, is wild here. You get all these crazy conditional logic automations that work across your projects. So if you're, say, a marketing or IT team with complex flows, this is clutch. But automations are capped by how many seats you pay for. So cost-wise, it's a little unpredictable. Still, for pure power, Monday.com is ahead. Let's talk customization and views. Asana gives you all the classic stuff right out the gate. List, board, timeline, calendar, dashboards. Quick, clean. But here's where it can be dull. You don't get tons of custom board layouts or fancy widgets. It kind of feels like you're getting what everyone else gets. Monday.com, though, 13 plus view types. Charts, maps, workload, docs, you name it. You can go bananas customizing workflows and dashboards. The only catch? That first setup is not for the impatient. But if you want control, Monday.com basically gives you the world. So yeah, that's another win for Monday.com. Collaboration and communication. Honestly, both of these are solid. Asana is all about @mentions, comments, attachments, and lets you bring in guests, even if you're just on the free version. Monday.com, you get co-editing on docs, @mentions, file sharing, and, fun fact, paid users get 24/7 support. So, bottom line, they're both great for team chat and sharing stuff. This one's a tie. Security and administration. Listen, no matter how cool your tool is, if it's not locked down, you're going to have a bad time. Asana's rocking two-factor authentication, enterprise key management, encrypted data, solid admin controls. Monday.com matches that. 2FA, data encryption, lots of granular permissions, Guardian add-on for those compliance nerds, audit logs, even a panic mode if things get wild. Honestly, they both handle security like pros, so another tie. Mobile apps. Okay, flash poll. How many of you are actually working on your phone these days? Both Asana and Monday.com totally get it. They cover iOS and Android, and everything you can do on desktop, you can do on mobile. No weird missing features. So, no clear winner here. Both solid. Finally, who's each tool best for? Asana is super popular with techie, creative, and remote-first teams, especially if you love integrations. Monday.com is the all-rounder. Agencies, marketing, construction, nonprofits, anyone who wants to tweak and visualize literally everything. I mean, if you want to play with layouts and automation until the cows come home, it's the one. So, really, depends on your vibe. Calling it a tie. By now, you guys get that Monday.com's big deal is flexibility and power, winning on pricing, ease of use, automation, and customization. Asana comes through on integrations with a super clean interface. Collab stuff, security, mobile, best for, basically matched. Let's see how it looks side by side on our radar chart. All right, so what's my final take? If you want tons of integrations and a super minimalist workspace, Asana's your jam, especially if guest access matters. But if you're after maximum customization, stronger automations, next-level support, and a more visual vibe, Monday.com just makes more sense, especially for marketing, agencies, and any team doing complex stuff. That's my honest read. If you want more tool battles like this, let me know in the comments, or hit the bookmark button for smarter tips on work tools. See you in the next one.